Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to create CSS grid hover effects using HTML and CSS. So first open up your browser and search for pen.new to open up CodePen. And then create a div. Now, what we're going to do is that we give this div an ID of D, and so we want there to be like 25 divs in it. Now it will be very tedious to be writing all those divs manually, so what we're going to do is that in my JavaScript I'll create a new variable called D, equals document.getElement by ID D. And what we want to do is that I'll create a for loop. I'll set I to 0 when I is less than 25, which is the amount of things we want to put, which is the amount of things that we want to put in it. I will increase I. So now I'll write d.append child. So now I'll create a new thing called div document.create element div. No, not that. Div. Now I'll append this div to this thing. And now to test if it actually worked, write hashtag D div background color black. Oh yeah, don't forget to set the width and the height. There you go. Now you see that it's worked. Now that we have all these divs, what are we going to do with them? Do that. So what we're going to do is that we're going to use the power of CSS grid. So I'll set these things display to grid. And now I want there to be a bunch of tiles. Since there are 25 divs, I want it to be a 5x5 grid. I'll just set the grid template rows to repeat 5 comma 100 svh. I meant calc 100 svh. Calc, not clack. Calc 100 svh. Calc 100 svh, then divided by 25, and then do the same thing for the grid template columns and change it to grid template columns instead. They can't be two of these columns. Let me decrease the size of the HTML. I forgot to put semicolon. Semicolon, the enemy of all programmers. Semicolon. This meant to be 100 SVW, not 100 SVH. Yeah, let let me just set this to oh yeah, 100 SVW, 25, 100 SVH. Now our screen is completely filled with these black things. Now, yeah. So I'll write hashtag ddiv. Now to check if it's working properly, I'll write child to n, and I'll set its background color to crimson. We've got a cool checkerboard pattern. Yeah, I don't need this. Simply just being over dramatic. 5. So we make this as I want to make this as squish, so divided by 20. No. Divided by 30. 5. Maybe I'll set this to 80 SVH. 50 SVH. 25. There we go. Now it looks much less squashed. And now what I'm going to do is that I'll remove this. I'll set all of their background color to transparent. So now, when this thing is hovered over, its background color will change to black. Now see if that's this cool thing going on. Then you can set the transition to 0.5 seconds. The first thing I'll do is that, wait, 10 squared. Yeah, I'll change this to, I'll add 100 divs instead. Doesn't support 100 divs. I'll add 100 divs instead, and then I'll divide this by 100. Yeah, let me change this color to black to see what I'm actually doing. And what is this? Down. Divided by 80. 50. 100 SVW. Divided by 20. 50. 100. Oh, 100. I meant 10. 20. Oh, whatever, that's enough doodling around. There we go. I'll send this to 100 SVH. 90. 70. 55. 52. There we go. And I'll set this thing's background color back to transparent. So anyways, that is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.